What's the meaning of batsman? Batsman. Batsman.
Batsman. Batsman. A batsman in cricket refers to the player who is responsible for scoring runs by hitting the ball with the cricket bat and defending the wicket from being hit by the bowler. The batsman's main role is to score as many runs as possible while ensuring that they do not get out. It requires a combination of skill, concentration, and strategy. A good batsman knows when to play aggressively or defensively depending on the situation of the game. They must also be knowledgeable about the different types of deliveries that the bowler can use and adjust their approach accordingly. Overall, the success of a team in cricket largely depends on the performance of its batsmen.